Hi, I'm Sue Ann, an independent Norwex consultant, and I know it's windy out here and you may not be able to hear me well, but I just wanted to show you something with my dusting mitt. We live on the beach and we get a lot of tiny little beach flies, and I got up this morning, I don't know if you can see them, but I noticed that there was a whole pile stuck in my screen door. Like a whole pile. Ugh, ugh. Thank goodness for a screen door. You can see this section, but it's flyless. That's because I came out with my dusting mitt and I just went like this. Can you see this section of flies right there? The Norwex dusting mitt is just picking them all up and out of my screen. And I didn't even wet it. If you wet the dusting mitt, it will do an amazing job. This is just dry. Oh, yeah, the more I look, the more I can see the screen door. There's thousands. And if you can see that in the mitt, the microfiber is so fine that those little tiny flies are sinking right in there. I mean, the microfiber is so deep. Look at all the dust on that door too. And honestly, I just washed this screen maybe a couple of weeks ago. Anyway, just wanted to share with you about the dusting mitt. If you have questions about this or any other product, you can contact me, www.suan.norwex.biz, or just comment below the video. I'd love to help you out. Something I'll mention about this is because it's such a fine microfiber, not only am I picking up these nasty little flies, I'm picking up 99% of any bacteria or germs that are on my screen, just in this microfiber, not using any product at all. Have a great day!